Goodbye, pear tree. Hi guys, I planted this guy here around 18 years ago. Double grafted pear, and just had to go. I've been wanting to get rid of it for the last 6 years, and I finally got the thumbs up from Kim, who was the one holding me back all that time. So now I'll be able to plant in its place one. This is the persimmon here. So one tree there on either side. One tree here in the middle, and one just there, two, next to the jujube, the young jujube. So two, and one in the middle here, between the Subel, the Lee, the new tree there, and the new tree here, right in the middle. Basically, right in front of this table here, right there. So 3 new trees to replace this pear tree, which was not performing. I mean, a dozen pears a year is not worth wasting all this area. And pears are not even in my top 30 of favorite fruits. So anything that's not even in my top 10, I'm not really interested in so much. And if it's not in my top 20, it's got to go. This one had to go a long time ago. So if I had done what I wanted 5 years ago, the trees would have been established now. And we're going to do subtropicals. I haven't decided yet because I've got many to choose from. I also got out this 13 year old plum tree. I don't know exactly what variety it is, but a Japanese plum, which was doing very well, the most prolific plum I had, like literally 300 plums every summer. But it had to go, guys. It had to go because I want this area in here for a nice subtropical fruit tree. And I've got like 13 plum trees, so if I get rid of one, it's not going to be a big loss. So again, we're talking Tangelo, Pinkerton avocado, Native American pawpaw, and longan, and starfruit, and Bowen mango if it comes out of winter. So now I've got this center stage here for anything to replace this plum. Very high-end real estate for fruit trees right there. I also cut back the 2 cherry trees I have, a bit rough, using the chainsaw, but I'll tidy that up because it had some kind of fungus. I don't know what exactly, but I had to get rid of it. A cherry fungus. So I'm not sure. This one here, are you guys familiar with this one? See all that? And it caused see the leak? It caused us to have no cherries. Well, we did have cherries, but they all fell off the tree. And I'm guessing it was due to this issue here. So I cut all these top branches off, like this one, and brought the tree down. So I'm going to remove all these cuttings, and hopefully the disease is gone. But I'm also going to spray it with some copper, and I'm going to do the other cherry as well. This is a Bing cherry, the popular Bing cherry from America. And this one has got the same issue. So I'm not done with this yet. This has to be cut down as well. See that? The same disease. So I'm going to bring this down to about here. Right? Down here. Just to get rid of these top branches that were affected. They're all affected. Guys. So this is work in between all the fun of gardening. This is also a part of it. So don't forget to check your trees for problems, not just harvesting. Yeah, I'm so glad I got rid of this pear, finally. I also check out the ice cream beans, how they've survived the winter so far. Unprotected. Some of them better than others. Look at that one, perfect. Compared to this one. Right, when you got 40 or 50 or 60 or 100, yeah, of course there's going to be some that suffer more than others. See that? But look at these leaves. Who can explain that? Perfect. Yep, guys. All right, the next one I got down, getting rid of, is my 16-year-old prune tree, the Darjen variety, prune plum. This was totally covered in the same disease as the cherry, but it was really, really bad. Like, I lost 90% of the prunes. So I'm not going to deal with this anymore. It's been giving me disease problems for the last 3 years, and that's good, because now the yellow jabuticaba has got a better chance of getting sun, right? The dragon fruit there can do better. That sick longan can recover better with more sun. And generally, there's going to be more light here for everyone, including this green sapote, which is doing so well. Look at this. Wow. Huh? Amazing. And finally, today, I pruned back these 2 apple trees. This one here and that one there. Hard prune. I removed the branch, the big branch that was there, that was sticking out like that, right up here, and just left one single stem. Chainsaw, guys, chainsaw. Here it is here. So we got rid of that. So now we only have one main trunk for our apple here, right? Instead of 2. I butchered these 2 apple trees last summer heavily. I brought it down from 4.5 meters to 2.5 meters. See that? With a chainsaw about 6 months ago. And all these branches have come up over autumn. Look at that, it's already back to 3.5 meters. Just over the last 6 months. Amazing. So I'm gonna have to give it another trim. Before spring. Because I don't want to be climbing up there for apples, competing with the parrots. I was gonna pull these trees out this winter, but I changed my mind. And I did the same with this apple here. I got rid of its second trunk that was going towards the kiwi. Hey, look at my kiwis. Let's see if they're ready. Yep, that one's ready. That one. Little hard, but almost ready. So yeah, we got rid of the branch. It's a whopper. Oh my God. Yeah. So we cut that. Granny Smith apple, and one over there's a Jonathan. So we've been busy today with our chainsaw at Fruitopia. So between these two apples, I'm thinking of putting a tree here in the middle. I haven't decided which one, and get rid of these lilies, which love to flower when it's cold. They're cold winter variety lilies. They're very beautiful. And in summer, this all dies back. They can't take temperatures above 25 Celsius. They work backwards. They like the cold. And the next thing I'm gonna do back here, believe it or not, guys, I might remove this 22-year-old kiwi vine, which I planted. Yeah, because I got problems again with the fence. The fence has collapsed. Once before, the whole fence collapsed the other way towards my neighbor about 7-8 years ago, and I had to prop it up again. And it's just not the right place. The whole fence is moving as I move this. It's just not the right place to have a heavy vine like this. So unfortunately, sadly, I'm gonna have to cut the vine there, and over there as well, there's two of them, a male and a female. Yep, see you later, kiwi vine. Sad, huh? And the other reason is it hasn't fruited much in the last 5 years. Not fruitful, just like the pear tree I got rid of. So guys, that's what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this video. And for me, it's just a document for looking back on, so I know what and when and how, because I don't remember things otherwise. And we'll see you from the next video. No sun tanning today. Brrr.